Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Chipotle Cilantro Lime Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this recipe with everybody you know. This recipe is also down in the description box and on my website. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. You will find a ton of recipes there, a lot of them with the fast food sauces that we're doing right now. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be making Chipotle Cilantro Lime Sauce. Let's go down and check out what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 to 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon of that adobo sauce that we pulled from the can, 1 clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're just going to mix this all up. So let's start mixing. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is put all these ingredients into our little mixer here. So remember, we flip it upside down to put it into our blender blades. So I am going to go ahead and put the mayonnaise in first. Then our chipotle sauce, or adobo and chipotle peppers, the lime juice, salt and pepper, the garlic clove, and all of the cilantro. Tighten her up. Adjust our camera. There we go. Now we can see. Check our progress. It is completely blended, so we're done with that. Alright, we're all done. Put it in a bowl. Got a nice little cheese quesadilla here. We're just going to check out what the flavor is on this. It looks nice and mixed. It has got very nice texture, sticks well to the quesadilla. You can see all those different ingredients in there. Let's give it a taste here. Really well. Mayonnaise, nice creamy mayonnaise. Got the smoothness of the cilantro, acidity of the lime, a little bite of the garlic. Well, blends well together. You got that chipotle in there with the adobo sauce. Really kind of lays a foundation for it. This is really, really good. So you can check out the recipe, like I said, down in the description box, or www.itsonlyfood.biz. You'll find a ton of recipes on there. A lot of fast food recipes for sauces like this. So check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.